Stinger Australia, who we've dealt with for many years, have come to the party and they've brought us in a new product, which is a Bluetooth little module. It's probably about 60 mil in diameter. Quite slim, no big hand units are going in the car, so it's just a little control pad. You hook your phone up to it when you get in the car. You hit play and you just play through your phone's playlist like Spotify. They've also supplied us with some marine speakers, which we'll put in under the dash because we don't really want speakers as a feature. They're waterproof, so any water does get in the bucket with no roof, it's not going to be an issue. And they also have a little amplifier, which we're going to place in behind the seat, ready just for a straight install, which has been very helpful.